We ain't got time to waste. Hello folks, John Goldston here, going to give you an update on where we are right now on this 1969 GMC inner city bus build. So the last time you saw this bus, it was on the ground. We had just started making all those compartments up in the front. We have it up in the air on jack stands. We have removed and replaced the rear airbags on the rear axle. We found that the support brace that's holding that axle in place was missing bolts. We installed all those. We removed the heater on the inside, and when we did that, we had to reroute and solder all the copper lines to make that a continuous loop and not leak now that that unit's gone. On the inside in the center, we've relocated the two air tanks in the center of the vehicle, giving us storage on this side and storage on that side. We're still trying to make room for propane tanks and a generator. Over here on the passenger side, we've removed the front entry door. That way we could see what kind of framing we have. We're gonna come in and we're gonna build out the frame so we can get an exact measurement to have a custom entry door made for the front. We replaced all of the airbags in the front on the front axle as well. Here they are. Here's the old ones. Going in the trash where they belong. Right here we have aluminum that we've cut and bent to make a stop for when we install those compartment doors. There's one on each side of all of these compartments. One of the big features that this customer is so adamant about keeping true to this bus is that it has two entry points, a front entry and a mid entry. This is one of the things he really, actually both of them wanted of this bus. So we've removed the center door. We're gonna do the same thing that we're talking about in the front. We're gonna come in and we're gonna install framing so we can get it flat and we can get that custom door made to go right here. Another feature of the mid entry point, underneath the steps, we've built a compartment so we can put the inverter right underneath the steps. Well folks, there you have it, another update on this 1969 inner city GMC bus that right now she's dirty-gurdy, but we're gonna turn her into purdy-gurdy. So stay tuned, like, follow, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell at the bottom to get notified of all of our upcoming videos. And stay tuned for the next update on this 1969 GMC inner city bus.